everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, we're going to be talking about Huda Beauty new foundation and primer, y'all. When I saw this, I was like, I have to do a review on. So guess what? We went to the Sephora, spent way much more money than I planned to because I bought two other things, y'all, but I had to do it for this video. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1K and we are less than 200 away. So if you're new here, you're watching this, even if it's for the review, go ahead, hit the subscription button, support your girl, and we will be doing a giveaway at 1K. But we're gonna get right into this video, y'all, to see how this product do on dry skin and dark skin. Now, she has a lot of mattifying products to make the skin look airbrushed and look like we don't have any pores or anything. As y'all can see, I have pores, I have fine lines, like I'm very animated on my face, but I do have dry skin. But we did prep the skin very well, in my opinion. So we're gonna go right into this video to see how these products do on my skin. So I brought y'all in a little bit closer. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the skin. I'm gonna use my Hydro Grip Primer first from Milk Makeup, just to make sure that the skin is still hydrated, because y'all know Huda Beauty love matte products and my skin will look a mess if I don't prep it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. But yeah, tell me why, y'all. I went to Sephora early this morning to get these products for y'all to review today and edit today to get it out. And I started late, y'all. Like, I'm behind because I decided I wanted to go do a little bit of shopping with my boyfriend, and now I gotta sit here and like kind of rush just to get it out today at a reasonable time for y'all. So we gonna see how this goes. While I have y'all here, the Sephora Squad testimonial will end in 2 days on September 4th, y'all. So if you haven't already, please leave me a testimonial. Once again, my goal is 50 and we are almost there. I need at least 20 people to go leave me a testimonial to help me with my chances of being on the Sephora Squad team. It will be a dream come true of mine, and it will help me out so much. I do want to thank the people who have left the testimonial and who support me, because it means a lot to know that I'm building a community on my platform and on my channel for all the girls who just love beauty, skincare, lifestyle, anything, y'all. Like, that means so much to me. But like, once again, if you haven't, then click the link in the description to leave me a testimony before the deadline, y'all, and it will appreciate me so much. All right, y'all, so it's time to try the products, of course. So for the primer, I have the Easy Blur Smoothing Primer. This is what it looks like, y'all. It comes in a black bottle. It says Easy Blur by Huda Beauty. It is a silicone-free smoothing primer. Now, this primer does retail for $29, which is technically not bad, because if I'm not mistaken, I think this retails for like 20 something as well, y'all. This is the one size, so they're about the same size. They are about the same in fluid ounces. This is 1.2 and this is just 1. So we're gonna see if it's gonna hold up to the one size primer, because y'all already know I love a good mattifying pore primer because they be showing through the skin. So off ripped, y'all, it applies like a jelly. Like, look at that. It's definitely a jelly. Definitely something that I was not expecting. But yeah, way different than what I'm normally used to. Now, it is thick. That's one thing I will say, that it is very thick. And it just gets all up in the pores. And I probably applied way too much. Okay, let's just put it in the T-zone area. But first impressions, it is very smoothing. It blurs out and mattifies so much, y'all. All right, so this is what the skin looking like. As you can see, it blurified so much, like up under here, but it's not too matte or anything. It actually still has a nice little glow to it, but everything definitely matted out, and it looks like my pores are kind of filled a little bit, so it did a little bit of blurring, but I won't know for sure until I go in and apply the actual foundation to see how it is. But it is definitely tacky. A little bit does go a long way, y'all. Like I said, I used way too much. Did not think that much was gonna come out. It doesn't have a scent, but it is pink. Maybe Huda Beauty just love the color pink, I don't know, but I'm not mad at it at all. And now for the star of the show, we have the Huda Beauty Easy Foundation. This foundation retails for $37, which is not bad considering you have a lot of high-end brands foundation that retail for like $40. Like Patrick Call just came out one that was $58. I ain't got the type of money, but I really do want to try, y'all, but I ain't got the fun. So we got Huda Beauty right here, and we're gonna see how she is. Now, it does come in a little squeeze tube, y'all. This is what it looks like. It doesn't take much for it to come out, which is how some already ended up on my face. However, this is a very cute little thing, very mess free if you don't squeeze it as hard, and I'm just ready to like put it on the face. But I did get mine in shade 550R, which I think is also Hot Fudge. Yes, Hot Fudge. This is what it looks like, y'all. I am just so excited to try this product. I really hope it works for my skin for a mattifying foundation. Like, first off, that is a lot on the skin. Oh my gosh, y'all. Let's hurry up and blend this out. All right, y'all, first impressions, the coverage is there. It's hydrating. Oh my gosh. I'm not mad at it. I definitely put way too much. Like, the one pump probably would do my whole face. I put way too much on the skin, but it looks so good, so hydrating. I'm not mad, and it fits my skin tone perfectly. So far we love. Now this is more so a sheer side, y'all, if y'all want to sheer it out, because I did go in with too much and it just graduated over. So if you want a light coverage, you can achieve that, but we're gonna go full face. So we're gonna put a little bit more on this side and just blur and just blend it out. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, y'all. The skin looks so good. I'm not even kidding. Like, literally my skin, but better. Now I am like a neutral tone girly, so it's kind of gonna look weird right now until I go in with my concealer, contours, and all that, y'all. But first off, it looks good. I'm gonna probably insert a clip of what it looks like outside during the day before I add any extra product, just to see, so y'all can see how it looks like on the skin without any artificial lighting or anything. But right now, y'all, it looks amazing. Like, I am not mad at this at all. Like, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. We're gonna go in with my Morphe Filter Effect concealer. Y'all know I love this stuff. We're just gonna put it in the normal spots, bring it down a little bit more than normal, just to see how it appears and blends on the skin. Now I do want to mention that this product did dry down a little bit, y'all, like the foundation, but it's not bad. I'm not mad at it at all. It just dried down way quicker than like what I was expecting. But that's okay. Nothing too bad about that. Now this product blending on the skin is actually very amazing. It's doing it easily and it's not making anything look cakey or blotchy. It's just gliding on like butter. I actually do love how my under eye is not hugging onto the concealer and it's actually blending. It's not gone into my creases yet or anything, y'all. It actually looks really good on the skin and it's actually blending amazing. Like, y'all just saw that right. Taking the concealer from Sephora collection, this is a discontinued one, just to contour the face and contour the nose. Now I probably put way too much on my nose, y'all, but it is okay. We're just putting those in the normal areas on where we like the face to be contoured and highlighted. Look how that just blended into the skin. Now, yeah, I really don't be paying attention to that water-based, silicone-based stuff or whatever that people be trying to do, but I'm pretty sure I'm mixing so many different products together. But the fact that this is blending onto the skin, amazing. Like, gone. Alright, y'all, so while I was there buying the foundation and everything, I also turned back around and bought the blush. Now that is her blush filter. Now this was in the shade Black Cherry. I think it's retail for like $21. I've never tried her blush before, so I'm really excited to try this. Now I got this color simply for the fall. Don't y'all think this will be a pretty color for the fall? I did. So I got Black Cherry. It's like this dark mauve pink, and we're just gonna put it on the skin to see. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. It's gonna be so cute. I want to get into like burnt oranges and reds too, but nobody has fully made that transition yet, so we're just gonna stick with these for right now. Okay, that color looks so good. Like, y'all see that? I'm gonna put a little bit more though. Now we're gonna take my Hourglass concealer and put it right here. Yeah, I know I love to brighten up the under eyes. I'm just let it sit for a little bit, but not too much. And just let it sit, do all this, and then I'm gonna go out and blend. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to set the face and make sure I blend anything and everything together. Alright, this is what we looking like, y'all, before I set anything. The face looks oily, it looks good. Now everything blended amazingly. I don't have any regrets. Now I have a little bit of creasing up under the under eye. I'm hoping when it sets, like that kind of gets rid of a lot of it, because I would hate for my under eye to be creasing throughout the day. But other than that, the skin looks good. Like, we're not mad at it or anything, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go set the face, finish up, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final look. Now we are back. This is the rest of the face done. This is what it looks like, y'all. I did not know what to do with my eyes, so they might look a mess, but it still look good regardless. But this is what we are looking like now. Now this is what the face is looking like up close once again, y'all. And you can see everything, a little bit of shine, nothing too much. I'm pretty sure if I take my puff right here, it will mattify down. Yeah, see, that's what we love about this product. It actually blurs down beautifully or so. And this is, yeah, so the foundation been on my face since 3:40. It is 5:23, so roughly an hour and 40 minutes, and it still looks good, y'all. Like, I'm not mad at it. Some foundations I had before, after an hour it starts to look weird, and this is not doing that, which is what we are loving, obviously. But yeah, so here go my final thoughts on both of these products right here. And for the heck of it, we're gonna include the blush as well, since it is technically new. Now first we're gonna go in with the primer. Once again, I really do love it. I used too much, but it did not mess up anything on the face. Everything still looked blurred and everything. Now, is it better than one size? We're gonna do a full wear test on my TikTok and Instagram, so you don't follow me over there, go ahead. It should be out probably tomorrow by the time this video go out, so I don't know for sure. But if you want to see a full wear test for the entire day, you want to see how this hold up, go on my TikTok. But as of right now though, it does look good. The pores and everything is blurred, everything looks good and seamless. I don't know what the camera is picking up, but up close and personal on my face, in my opinion, it does look good. Everything is blurred. I don't really have that much texture showing up top. The fine lines are kind of blurred. Like, I do this, you see it, but like it's not really noticeable, which is what I'm liking. And the face does look matte. Like, it looks very matte, which is also good. Next we're gonna talk about the foundation. Now y'all, $37. This tube squeezed out so much that I'm pretty sure if I would have worked fast and not just did half of my face, it would have went across my whole entire face. So be careful spraying this out, but I really do love it. Like, it's not drying on the skin. It looks amazing. It did not cling to any peach fuzz, any wrinkles or anything, y'all, because I do not darn my face as often, so I do have like a little bit of hair on my face, like around here or so, but it did not cling to any of that. It actually looks good. It actually looks decent. Now the only thing I can say is that it does dry down very quickly. Now that's not a problem. However, I would say do not put any up under your under eyes if you have wrinkles and creases like I do, because it can cling to that when you put on concealer and powders. It can mess it up and make it look creasing 25/8. However, it is not, which is also great. However, if you're somebody who if you're somebody who uses a lot of product and you really just don't want that much creasing to work it out, I suggest don't use the foundation in this area of the face once again. But overall, it looks so good. Shade wise, this is my perfect shade, and I like guesstimated, y'all. I like got the tube, squeezed a little bit out. I didn't put it on my face or anything, y'all. I guesstimated, and this I did right. But I do have the shade 550R, which is also Hot Fudge. Now I think this is the third to the last shade, and as y'all can tell, I'm not really that dark, so maybe she might can go a little bit deeper. However, once again, I'm pretty sure girls who are darker than me can use this foundation perfectly fine. I'm just like two-toned or whatever, so I always go for a darker shade and like make it lighter with products. As you can see, that's what kind of happened. But I am the third to the darkest shade. She could extend it, but it's not a bad line. Now I do want to see Gloria, I think that's her name on TikTok, try this to see what she thinks, because they do have a dark shade, so I'm really hoping that's her shade. And if so, y'all, I think this is actually a great foundation for the dark skinned girlies. So this is their Blush Filter Soft Glow. Now, I like the shade, y'all. The shade is pretty. The packaging is so pretty. However, for $21 and how I barely got any product on my face, now that probably be me not knowing how to use this blush because I did not do any research on it. I just put it on the face. So I could be using it wrong. And if I am, y'all let me know down in the comments. But for $21, a little bit more product on the applicator, I will be fine. However, I can make it work. It is a pretty mauve shade in my opinion, like a burnt berry. I really do love it. They do have 5 shades and I think they will probably be amazing, but this shade right here, I actually like. Just a little bit more product on the applicator and then I'll be satisfied. All right, everyone, and that is it for today's video. Now, once again, the face. I actually am loving the way it turned out, y'all. Like, I cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror. I really like it. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you all think about my makeup, about the application, about my review of the product. Now, I will be doing a full day review on my Instagram and TikTok, so head over there, check that out. And don't forget to leave a testimonial response for my Sephora Squad application, which will be in the description below. We are on their road to 1K, y'all, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because we are almost there, and I will be doing a giveaway. But once again, y'all, thank you all for watching this video. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about the product. Let me know what brand or what product you want me to try next on this channel, and I will do it. But I'm thinking about reviewing the new Fenty Beauty foundation. But I really do love this foundation, and I would say grab it if you have the funds. Do you technically need the primer? No. That's just if you have pores, a lot of pores like me, and you just want to try it and like use 2 primers like I do. However, there are cheaper options. Of course, e.l.f. probably even one size. Like, there are so many options, y'all, cheaper. That's probably better. So I probably wouldn't just focus more on the primer, more so just the foundation in general. But anyways, y'all, once again, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.